Okay, I'd just like to share something with you for somebody that has already committed a motor mount on their CNC machine and then changed your mind like I did and put a smaller motor in there. This is a 60,000 RPM pneumatic pencil engraver. And as you can see, all I did on the laser is cut out a piece of the OD and the ID to fit the motor, and then tightened it up. And it's plenty tight. If you get the right size, it clamps it just as it would if it didn't have the wood in there. There's one of these sets up here, and then down below there's another set. And so there you go. I just thought I'd share that. Rather than, the other reason is I couldn't find a 12 millimeter mount. The smallest I could find is 20 millimeter. So there you go. It works. Thank you.